Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the gas burner seal in the Thermador range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 13/16 socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new gas burner seal. The gas burner seal is installed on the inside of the gas burner. It seals the gap between the burner and the cooktop surface, preventing moisture and spillovers from getting inside the cooktop. If little pieces of the old seal shows from under the burner, take the burner off and replace the broken gas burner seal. We're going to start with removing this grate. Lift it off. Now we can lift off the burner cap assembly. Now we need to remove this Venturi nut, which is a 13/16 of an inch. I'm going to use a 13/16 socket wrench. And we're going to turn it counterclockwise. And break it loose, and then we're going to take it out. In case if it's not going to go easy like that, we will have to use a blowtorch to heat it up, or if it's not going to help, we need to cut this Venturi nut completely off and then obviously replace it with a new one. Now we're going to lift the base off, and now we can see that the seal is broken and even missing a couple of pieces here. So we're going to remove the old gas burner seal. This is the old and broken gas burner seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new gas burner seal into the base. We're going to place it into this little groove. It requires a little stretching. Press it in. So now we're going to place that burner base into these two openings. Two pins, if you can see, they're not symmetrical. So they move to this side, and we're going to place it in like that. So hold out to the new seal and put the base into these openings. So we're going to secure the base with the Venturi nut. I'm going to manually turn it in clockwise as far as it can go. And then I'm going to use the 13/16 socket wrench, and we're going to tighten it, turning it clockwise. Now we're ready to install the burner cap back in. This little piece goes into this notch. And now we can place the grate back on. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.